What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with MoneyBass.com, and today got some special news for you guys. See that right there? Mega Live. Mega Live is now shipping. The Money Bass Network. The Money Bass Network is amazing, guys. So today I have received maybe 2 or 3 phone calls of guys that have actually received their units, and another guy that received the date that his will be arriving at his home. So they're currently shipping. People have the tracking numbers. Other people are actually going to the dealers and picking theirs up. From what it sounds like, there may be a few different waves of shipments that are coming in. So depending on when you paid for your pre-order, that may be based on where you're at in the line as to when you'll receive yours. So for me, I didn't put in a pre-order. I wanted to get a little more footage to see how the average person was going to be able to adjust it and what quality, the quality of the images that they would be seeing once they get that set up. But now it's like knowing that the guys are gonna have theirs, it's kind of making me wish I had went ahead and put in my pre-order so that I could get one too. But hey, one of the things that a lot of us have been waiting for is to see just more live footage, more details of how the unit actually works. For you guys that have been following my channel, make sure you take a look in the description and you will see the video where I showed you how to do your update so that you can get the demo set on your unit if you're someone that will be receiving it. So that way you can at least get everything set up, so once it arrives you can go ahead and put it on your boat and go ahead and get right to it. There's also a link to the video where I did a full walkthrough and went through a bunch of the settings and everything like that. So if you kind of follow along with that, that may kind of help you out with the learning curve on that just a little bit so that you don't get it and you're starting from scratch. So hope those 2 things help you guys out. So if any of you guys have already received your Humminbird Mega Live, please leave some comments. Let me know about how the process went for you. Of course, people have been waiting for what, maybe like a year and a half, 2 years or so. So hopefully that will have been worth the wait. But we shall see in the coming next few weeks, because I know that people are going to start dropping a lot of videos on that. So we'll get to see those images that we've been wanting to get. But hey, if I come across the chance to grab one, I'd probably just go ahead and snatch one up now. So if any of you guys have locations where you know they have some in stock, please put that down in the description also, because there's some guys watching that may be interested in picking one of those up. And I'm pretty sure there are guys that had put in pre-orders that went back and changed their mind and may have went ahead with the Garmin unit or went ahead with the Lowrance Active Target because they didn't want to continue waiting for the Mega Live to be released. But hey, that release date is here now. So just leave some comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that. And also wanted to give some shout outs to some guys that have been continually supporting the channel. Like I said, the Money Bass Network. Hey guys, we're growing, getting stronger. Got a lot of guys participating in the comments, always hitting that like button. And like I said, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. So as always, I have Chauncey Davis. He's been a guy that's been in the comments a lot, networking with people, you know, putting a lot of good information in there. We just want to give a few quick shout outs. We have Spot Sticker Man 300. We have E. Floyd, 362nd Campbell, real good guy. Talked to him a few times. I know he just recently went with the live scope, and we'll see how he does with that. He had an experience with that out on the water, so he had to go ahead and pick it up himself. Then we have, let's see who else we have here. We have Lee Ward, fellow rod bender. Really appreciate you supporting the channel, and congratulations on your win at Logan Martin. Corey Morton. Let me see, Terrence Buchanan. Hey, if you're interested in joining the club, make sure you go to www.rodbendersbassclub.com. Click on the Contact Us tab, and you can get some more information about what it takes to be a rod bender, the things that we do in the community, along with fishing. So we'd be interested in having some guys, like-minded guys that are interested in helping the community and enjoy the sport of fishing. All right, so we have Kevin Holly, Mike Gardner, Reno, Reno 954678. I see you in the comment a lot. Really appreciate it. Andrew Garner, Brian Baker, White Bass 16, Andre Gooden. So we have some new guys that I haven't seen in here before. Really appreciate you guys sticking around and leaving some comments. Zachary Cook. And let's see, one or two more. Let's see who else we have. Gary Thompson. And of course, My Retired Hobbies Gainesville. So if you guys click back on a few of the videos that I put out, I've pretty much been dropping something for you guys pretty much every day. Hoping that's helping you out. We do tutorials on every Tuesday and Thursday with your electronics. I run Humminbird. Some of the guys that are in the comments run Garmin, and they run active Lowrance. So you'll see some live scope information, some active target information. We're just trying to get together, help each other out, and build a nice network so that when we're out on the water, everybody can have a successful day. But that's pretty much all I wanted to drop for you guys tonight, was to let you know that Mega Live is now shipping. A lot of you guys are getting yours. Please leave some comments. Let us know what you think about that experience. Looking forward to it, guys. All right, appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and I will see you on the next one. So persistence mode. So this basically will make a little trail. So let me go in a little closer. And what you'll want to kind of pay attention to on here are the bright dots are the fish. And then the purple image, or the purple stream that's coming behind those, that just kind of shows you that's where the fish was at. And it's the opposite of the direction that the fish is going.